Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can refund a game on Steam or just request a refund. So in order to refund the game, you should keep in mind that the game you shouldn't have bought it for more than 2 weeks and that you shouldn't have significant playtime on it. Otherwise your refund request may be refused. So let's get started. What the first thing that you need to do is go over on the top left side of your screen and just hover over help, click on it and just select Steam support, which is the first option. Once you've selected that, your screen should now look like this. And as you can see right here, I have it shows me my recent products, the ones which I have bought, and we are going to request a refund for one of them. For example, CSGO. We are going to select it and just say it is not what I expected, or just select what issue you have with that game. I'd like to request a refund, which is our second option, and now you are going to want to scroll down and just select the reason that you want to refund the game. The game is too difficult, it frequently crashes, etc. It's not fun. I'm going to select. You can add a note explaining your issues and just submit request. And now I have a refund request active, and probably a Steam support person will look over it and accept it or deny it. And that's all there is to it, guys. Now you can have your game refunded and get your money back that you paid for it. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.